Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the PZ swing trading indicator. All right, now as you can see, this indicator is going for sale on the MQL5 marketplace. It is priced at 125 US dollars, and as you can see, there is also a free demo, for you to test. If you are interested in the indicator, just click on the free demo and ensure that you have the MT4 platform installed in your device, and then of course you now click on this. All right, so that it can take you to where you can look at the free demo. Okay, but briefly, we are just going to be discussing this indicator to see how it works, all right, and to help you to have an idea in case if you are interested in the indicator. Okay, so basically you would see that this indicator helps you to understand the prevailing trend, or rather to figure out the prevailing trend in the market. And in addition to that, you can see that it gives you some valuable information here, across time frames, right? Across time frames, you can see on the 1 minute, it's telling you, outside baseline, 5 minutes outside baseline, 15 minutes outside baseline, and so on and so forth. And this inside baseline, inside baseline, inside baseline. All right. So this indicator helps you to not only identify the prevailing trend in the market, but it also gives you buy signals and sell signals. As you can see, when the blue arrow appears, of course, you know that it's a buy signal. And on the other hand, when a red arrow appears, of course, you know that it is a sell signal. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. If you are interested in getting this indicator, please and please, my recommendation is that you ensure that it meets up to your expectations before making any financial commitment. Okay, when you are purchasing an indicator, at least you should know as much as you can about that indicator first before making the purchase. All right, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you will not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.